Hey, welcome to Forsage Partners, guys. My name is Sam, and in this video, I'm going to be walking you through all the steps you need to take to join Forsage. So, down below this video, you're going to see all these buttons with step-by-step instructions. I'll walk you through the step-by-step showing you exactly what you need to do in order to join Forsage. So, two things you need. Number one is Metamask, which is a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps where your Ethereum is going to be stored. And it's also going to allow you to get logged into your Forsage account. And the second thing you're going to need, Ethereum loaded into your Metamask wallet. You need to come down there, click on step 1, download Metamask. This takes you to the official website of Metamask. First thing you need to do, download Metamask. This is where your Ethereum is going to be stored. Metamask runs on Google Chrome and other supported web browsers as an extension, and it's very simple to use. Once you click Download button, Metamask will be added in your browser right in the corner as a little fox icon. As the first-time user, you will see Welcome to Metamask with the Get Started button. There you can create a new wallet for yourself. After that, when you click on fox icon up here, as you can see, this wallet here is mine. So when you click on this is exactly what it's going to look like in the top right corner. So again, this is where your Ethereum gets stored, and it also allows you to log into your Forsage account. Your Metamask must be empty with zero balance if you have just created a new wallet. So, once you get that done, you want to come back to step number 1B to purchase some Ethereum. It's because Forsage Smart Contract runs on Ethereum smart contracts. So, once you click on the second button there, this will take you to this page. Now, there are all the different crypto exchanges. In the small text are countries these exchanges are registered in, and these exchanges allow you to buy an Ethereum. I personally use Coinbase and Gemini. Depends on your country. You can choose the one you like. And if you already have some Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrencies, you can also sell them for exchanges with Ethereum. Okay, so now you are on the point where you need to send your Ethereum from your crypto exchanges or from wherever you've bought it from into your Metamask wallet. Alright, so to do that, depending on what exchange you're using, it's going to give you an option to send your Ethereum on any Ethereum wallet address of your choice. You need to enter your Metamask wallet address in crypto exchanges to receive Ethereum in your Metamask. If you open a Metamask wallet there, you'll see your Metamask wallet address right here. You can simply click there and your Ethereum address will be copied, which you can enter or submit in crypto exchanges to get your Ethereum transferred into your Metamask wallet. Now, it's time to transfer your Ethereum from your crypto exchanges account to your Metamask wallet. Generally, it takes 10 to 15 seconds for transfer to complete and confirm. So, let's assume you purchased 2 Ethereum for your crypto exchanges and transferred those 2 Ethereum to your Metamask wallet address. Then, within 15 seconds, your Ethereum will show up in your Metamask wallet. This is where you need to have an Ethereum to join Forsage. You need a minimum of 0.05 Ethereum to join and open the first slot of Forsage, which is like $15. So yeah, I'd recommend getting as much Ethereum as you can. And yes, once you have it in your Metamask wallet, it's time to move forwards to the next step, which is to join Forsage. Okay, so when you click on the Step 2 button, this takes you to the Forsage homepage, where you will see the Join Now button, and this will take you to the registration page. Just make sure there's some Ethereum in your Metamask wallet before you do that, otherwise your registration will be unsuccessful or cancelled. You must need to have at least 0.05 Ethereum in your wallet to join Forsage. Also, one important thing you need to look at while going through the sign-up process on Forsage registration page is for Upline ID 355172, which gives you the exclusive access into Forsage Partners Team marketing resources, private forum access, expert guidance, and bonuses, which helps you maximize your earning with Forsage. Again, it's a very simple and straightforward process to join. Once you're inside Forsage, you need to start buying your slots. Because you earn Ethereum unlimited times on active slots only, and there are 24 slots in total. Now, if you want to make money very fast and break quick into Forsage system, then you need to buy as many slots as you can. Ideally, you want to try and get the first 6 slots in Forsage X3 and the first 6 slots in X4. It's because that's what's going to allow you to take advantage of Forsage Partners Team marketing resources, which includes exclusive marketing funnels, landing pages, WordPress-hosted websites on your domains, and much more that can help you build strong referrals under your downline. In short, Forsage Partners Team guarantees your success with Forsage if you are passionate, dedicated, and stay committed to our plan of action. Again, that's not guaranteed that you will start making over $50,000 within a week, as we don't know how hard you're going to work, but these numbers are achievable, and many members of our team are making even more with Forsage platform. And if you're going to put in some effort and follow the top members' instructions, team leaders' guidance, and use the resources we share on Forsage Partners' members-only private forum, then you can achieve this too. Alright partners, so once you're done with all the above steps, you've joined Forsage under Forsage Partners team under upline ID 355172 and buy your slots. Then what you need to do is register yourself in Forsage Partners members-only private forums. Registration is very simple there. You just need to choose your username and enter email and submit. And after quick verification, we will approve your membership in this private forum. So you can access members-only resources and get hooked with expert guidance, marketing funnels, landing pages, bonuses, and rewards. On higher slots, you can also get into our member-only traffic rotator, where we drive traffic on your Forsage affiliates link to help you build referrals and share online marketing traffic generation guides, YouTube marketing, free social media traffic, and more. Please note, all marketing resources, bonuses, rewards, and private forum membership access are only for members of Forsage Partners team and their downline members. Members who joined under our downline get the highest spillover even with 0 referrals. It's because Forsage X4 program lets you earn Ethereum passively from our team spillover without any recruitment or referrals needed. And that's the reason many members who join Forsage Partners team get free Ethereum without referring anyone. This is because our 7-figure strong team leaders and Forsage X4 Smart spillover plans allow tons of spillover to our teammates. I would recommend you connecting with our team members or admin at Forsage members Telegram group. If you don't have Telegram, you can download their desktop application or you can download the same on your mobile. And as soon as you're in the Telegram group, we will keep you updated on the steps that you need to take to get access to our members-only marketing resources and all further updates. We also have exclusive video Zoom session and private webinars hosted by Forsage top leaders and internet marketing experts for guidance to help our members grow and get bigger and better results to maximize their earning with Forsage. So having said that, it's all you need to do. Again, if you still have any questions or if you're struggling or confused on any part, you just reach out down below. You can find all my contact details, my email, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram. I'd recommend message me on Telegram because that's where I'm most active right now, and I'll help you sort any issue or confusion you may have. And at last, I'd like to personally welcome you to Forsage Partners team, where we don't just offer you one-time temporary bonuses, but we have to build a community to connect Forsage top leaders and internet marketing experts with new members for their continuous growth while building passive income opportunities. Looking forward to see you in private forum and succeeding together. Welcome to Forsage Partners team.